This video is brought to you thanks to the generous support of Artenda, a database presenting a clear and high-quality overview of art opportunities and open calls for artists.
Hello dear readers and subscribers. If you are a passionate creative individual, creating the art is one thing, but exhibiting it is something entirely else. There are numerous ways, in fact, to exhibit your art, and open calls for exhibitions are perhaps one of the most direct and exciting opportunities. And therefore, in this video, I'm going to present a curated list of 10 current open calls for exhibitions.
First and foremost, McClure Gallery in Montreal, Canada. McClure Gallery invites artists to submit proposals for its annual exhibition program. Artists working in all media are welcome to apply, with special consideration given to those based in Quebec. This open call seeks to provide a platform for both emerging and established artists, offering them the opportunity to present their work to a broad audience in Montreal. The gallery does not charge a submission fee, and selected artists will receive professional support throughout the exhibition process. The deadline for submissions is October 15. Next we have Steel, Wood, Stone & Co. in Differdange, Luxembourg. This annual exhibition focuses on the art of sculpture, aiming to bring sculptors and galleries together to showcase their work in a vibrant yet accessible setting. Held at Hall O in Oberkorn, Luxembourg, the exhibition provides a unique opportunity for artists working in steel, wood and stone to gain visibility and engage with collectors and art lovers. There is no application fee, however, a refundable deposit of €300 is required. This open call welcomes both individual artists and also galleries, with a submission deadline of also October 15. Next we have Paved Arts annual submission in Saskatoon, Canada. Paved Arts is a media arts organization dedicated to supporting artists working in photography, video, audio and digital art, so new media. The annual submission call seeks to promote experimental and contemporary works, particularly those from marginalized voices. Artists, curators and collectives are invited to apply for solo or group exhibitions in the main gallery. Paved Arts offers a supportive environment, including production assistance, to ensure the success of each individual exhibition. No submission fee is required, and the deadline is also October 15 of each year. Automat Collective Open Call 2024 in Philadelphia, the United States of America. The Automat Collective, a Philadelphia-based artist-run space, is looking for proposals for its 2025 exhibition program. This open call is geared toward emerging and mid-career artists who wish to present experimental and innovative works. So the gallery encourages submissions across all media, with a special focus on installations and projects that push the boundaries of the more traditional art forms. The application fee is $25, though a reduced fee of $10 is available for those who need financial assistance. The deadline for submissions is October 24. The Hunterdon Art Museum's 2025 juried print exhibition in Clinton, New Jersey, United States of America. Hunterdon Art Museum is inviting artists to participate in its 2025 juried print exhibition. This prestigious event seeks to highlight the best in contemporary printmaking, offering significant cash prizes including $1,000 first prize. Artists aged 18 and older are encouraged to submit up to 5 print works for consideration. The museum, however, charges a $40 submission fee for non-members, and for members a $35 submission fee. The exhibition will be held at the Hunterdon Art Museum in Clinton, New Jersey, and the deadline for entries is October 25. Emergence Open Call in Melbourne, Australia. Science Gallery Melbourne's Emergence Open Call invites artists, scientists and interdisciplinary teams to submit proposals exploring themes of resilience and adaptation in the face of global challenges such as climate change. This exhibition aims to achieve a synergetic collaboration between the arts and sciences, offering participants the chance to secure up to 8,000 Australian dollars in funding for their projects. There is no submission fee, and the gallery is open to participants from all backgrounds and disciplines. The deadline for submissions is October 27, 2024. Lucen Art Group exhibitions in Rome, Italy. Lucent Art is hosting a series of group exhibitions in Rome, focusing on photography, digital art and video. The current open calls revolve around themes such as contacts and connections and echoes of yesterday. These exhibitions offer artists the opportunity to display their works in a contemporary gallery setting, contributing to a broader dialogue about society and technology. Lucent Art does not charge a submission fee, making this one of the most accessible options for artists worldwide. The next submission deadline is October 30. Apex Art Open Call in New York, the United States of America. Apex Art is seeking curators, artists and creatives to propose unique group exhibition ideas for its upcoming season. The Apex Art Open Call supports innovative, non-traditional exhibitions offering a $10,000 budget to each selected project, along with full administrative and production support. Open to applicants from all backgrounds and levels of experience, Apex Art holds 2 annual calls, one for exhibitions in New York and another for international locations. There is no application fee and the deadline for New York-based exhibitions is October 31. Up next we have Cecilia Coker Bell Gallery in Hartsville, United States of America. The Cecilia Coker Bell Gallery at Coker University is accepting submissions for its 2024-2025 solo exhibition series. This program aims to provide a platform for innovative, challenging works across all media. Artists will be given the opportunity to exhibit in a university setting and will receive financial support, including $300 for shipping costs and an additional $200 for conducting a gallery talk. There is no application fee and the deadline for submissions is also October 31. To conclude, Staffordshire Saint Open Call 2025 in London, United Kingdom. Staffordshire Saint is inviting artists, curators, makers and performers to apply for its 2025 exhibition program. This London-based gallery emphasizes collaborative and interdisciplinary projects that engage with local communities. The open call encourages applications from underrepresented voices and offers participants the chance to develop and present their work in a vibrant gallery space. There is no submission fee and the deadline to apply is October 31 as well.
As always, our #1 recommendation to find art opportunities, including these exhibition open calls, is of course artenda.net. Discovering the right opportunities can of course be very time consuming. However, with artenda.net it becomes very simple. There is nothing more powerful than having a good habit. And from this perspective, it should be your goal to make a habit of finding, browsing and applying to open calls once every single month. Have a fixed day every month that you spend some time on artenda.net to find and apply to art opportunities. And by doing so, by being consistent in this endeavor, you will be able to exhibit your work and be a step closer to realizing your dream and ambitions as an artist. Even more, Artenda even provides this service that they send you a tri-monthly newsletter with a list of open calls specifically tailored to your personal situation. Think of the artistic discipline you practice, where you are based or how old you are. So feel free to have a look and perhaps apply to one of these 10 art opportunities, these exhibition open calls for artists. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If it is your goal to exhibit your art, then definitely consider also watching our video series on how to get your art in an art gallery next. Support us on Patreon and please consider subscribing to stay posted for more contemporary art. Bye.